Well, unfortunately this weekend I'm on call, so I can't go anywhere, but instead what I intend to do is try and clean up these headlights. Now these headlights have gone yellow, which is common with Japanese vehicles. Now this yellowing is due to oxidization. It's, as I say, it's not uncommon in Japanese vehicles or even older vehicles, and there are hundreds of products on the market that say they can work on it. Something I'm going to try is using toothpaste. I've read that toothpaste can be very effective, so let's find out. So toothpaste, of course, being an abrasive material, I can see why it would work. We'll just try placing some on at first, and then I've got this rag that we're just going to try and rub in and see makes any difference. Now the person who I read who tried toothpaste on a Facebook group I'm part of, he did say that they spent about half an hour trying to rub this compound in, so it's probably not going to be a quick job. I just want to see if it will actually work. Now I've just done the first go, one squeeze, rubbed onto half of this lens, headlight lens, and I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but I can actually see that yes, there is a difference. This half is actually looking a lot less, or a lot clearer than this half. So, first application didn't take that long. Let's carry on and get a lot more of this toothpaste into this. Well, I'm definitely starting to see some improvements. It is definitely starting to lift the oxidization and starting to look a little bit better. It's been about half hour of trying to polish this up. My finger is actually hurting, so what I'm going to try and do now is use this and see if that just makes it a little bit easier for me. Right, well, I have now run out of toothpaste. That entire tube was used on this one headlight alone. Much easier using the buffer, but what does it turn out like when we take it off? It looks so much better already. I'm really hoping the camera picks this up, because I can really see there's still a bit of discoloration going on, but I think a few more applications, and when we get some more toothpaste, will make it look all the better. Yeah, definitely much better. I'm happy. Definitely, yeah. Well, I think the answer to whether toothpaste will clean up these headlights, hopefully the camera can pick it up, but yeah, that one is looking a lot better, a lot clearer than this one. Now, in terms of cost, £1 for a tube of toothpaste I think is not bad compared to the actual lens cleaning kits that are out there that start around £25 and usually involve sanding. I'm very happy with that. Just using toothpaste, a bit of hard work, or buffer polishers I used, definitely makes a world of difference, and I'm going to carry on with this one. Well, that's it for this week's video. A bit different, I know, because I can't go anywhere, but next time we are out and about, we'll be taking you with us again. So I'll see you again in the next one.